Elise.
Elise is online.
The storm is getting bad. Elise, have you obtained the codes?
TJ, I have analyzed the source of the storm. It is Catastropia. He is a being, not of this earth, and seeks to destroy. If I can restore the Chosen One's DNA, then humanity may stand a chance. Project Destiny shall restructure the Ancient One's DNA address and will be enough to defeat Catastropia. If not, all will be lost. Do I have your approval to extract the Ancient One's DNA?
Project Destiny approved.
Project Destiny initiated. TJ, Elise, has served her purpose.
Elise, you are our last hope.
What is up, beautiful people? TJ here with another episode. Today I want to talk a little bit about a little RGB light that a company sent to me. Pixel reached out to me and they wanted me to showcase this IVISII. IVISII. I'm just going to call it IVISII from now on. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. It is the IVISII G2 RGB light, and they actually gave me a 30% off coupon for you all, so I will leave that in the description section below if you want to check this out. This is a very affordable RGB light. If you watch any of my other videos, you know I always have some kind of crazy pink and blue and yellow RGB lights all around me, and it's from these little small RGB lights that I have. So lighting is very important, especially if you are a filmmaker, even if you're making YouTube videos, to set kind of the ambiance of what you want to set. But so with this deal, you get the light itself. You also get a little bracket for it to mount to stuff, and then you also get like this little cool little stand. I use this quite a bit actually. When I filmed that little intro sequence, I had this light setting up here on my my thing, and it was like lighting up the entire room. It's crazy how much light this thing put off. You also get like a little cold shoe, hot shoe mount, I guess is what you call this little thing, with a 1/4 inch thread on it, and you get, of course, the charging cable. It's USB-C charging, and you get a little carrying bag that you can put the light inside and throw it in your backpack or whatever if you're going out of town or if you're going to be shooting on a different location. These lights are super awesome, I'm telling you, for traveling and making video and different things like that. If you're going to be like in a car or something like that, you can use these little lights to light yourself. But the best thing that I like about this is the scenes that they have. So they have a couple different scenes on them. It has a lightning mode. It also has like a police kind of mode. Then it has like a television mode. So really cool that you can use those modes to like set a scene. So as you saw in the intro video, I was using the lightning in the background, so like it's lightning outside. Also, and I just realized this, you can like articulate this thing. I didn't realize that. That's cool. So if you want like some wider light, you can do that. I didn't realize that you could do that till literally just now, because I'm a great reviewer of things. So yeah, I mean that's actually pretty neat little contraption there. And it also has 2 mounts as well for that. So if you want to have it up like that and you want to have like your microphone or something else right there, you could. So actually I like that bracket just in itself. And this bracket can be taken off with a Allen wrench. What I really like about this IVISII G2 light is the battery life. So it's got a 4300 milliamp battery, 345 minute duration. So it stays charged up for quite a bit of time. It has some very special controls over here on the side. It's going to take a little bit of time, especially if you have some of the other small form factor RGB lights like this, to get used to, because it's a little bit different. But what I like about it is, so when you turn it on, it's very bright. I mean, look how bright that is. It's pretty bright. I can actually brighten up like this entire room. But if when you turn it on, it has a button over here on the side, and you can actually slowly increase the percentage of light that's coming out of here. So whenever I'm filming with this light, if I'm shooting, if I just want like an ambiance light on the back or something like that, I'll have it up 100%. But if I'm actually sitting it on the table, like just using it as some fill light, or if I'm using it to bounce off another wall, I'll lower that down normally to about 50%, because that's really all you need for this light, because it is super bright. It does have a full color spectrum. It has from 97 plus CRI, and it's 2600 through 10,000 It's 2600 through 10,000 Kelvin of light. So it's actually a really bright, and it has a lot of different colors that you can use for this light. Now, I know some of y'all say, TJ, why are you always showing us lights? I just like lighting. I don't know. I like lighting. I love being able to light different things like that. And I really like when they're affordable. So they have one that's similar to this on the market by another company. It's about $100. So this one you're going to get a very affordable price. And plus you're gonna get 30% off. So if you wanna check that out, I will leave a link to it in the description section below, as well as the coupon code. I'm gonna leave that in the description section below as well if you wanna check that out. Also, what y'all think about the little intro sequence? Like, you know, that was pretty awesome, right? Maybe not, I don't know. All right, if you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you get notifications whenever I release new videos. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.